Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Missybeelondon. Epic twist out fail or a twist out fail. Let's go through the process. As you can see, my hair is in twists. 30 all together. Yes, 30 all together. I left these twists in my head for around 5 days because I was lazy, because I was busy. I just didn't have time to unravel. I must admit, maybe the products that I used, they were good products, just that I didn't use enough as well. But look at how they are when I'm unraveling the twist. First of all, literally came out good. And this is what happens when I make the section smaller, and this is what happens literally. As you can see, this is a voiceover for a hair tutorial, a natural hair tutorial. My hair type is type 4B/C. That is how I am. That is how my hair is. The thickest part of my head is the crown, the middle bit of my head. The thinnest parts of my head is all around the perimeter of my head, you know, edges, nearby the edges, all that stuff. And yes, I sped the video up because I didn't want it to be too long. And as you can see now, I am unraveling the twists at the back of my head. Yes, that is what I am doing. I'm just watching in this video. It might have been how maybe when I picked the hair a little bit afterwards, maybe I did a bit too much, or maybe because my hair is soft in texture, that's why the twist out just didn't come out to plan. Definition, curls are popping. No, it didn't happen like that. Oh well, I live and I learn, don't I? And it's good that I documentate things that happen on video as well for future reference, or to remember not to do that next time. All the twists are out. There you go. I'm separating. Maybe I separated a bit too much. I don't know. It just felt same, but my hair felt soft, like I said. So maybe that was to let me know that it's not going to come out the same, because my hair just was soft. Literally. And it sounds odd. My hair is soft, but my hair was just soft. I'm just watching again. I'm a little bit tired. But yeah, doing this voiceover quick. So I'm just separating to give my hair a little bit of volume. I don't know why outside is noisy right now. If it's not a car going, it's people making noise outside. If you can hear that car beeping, backing up, whatever it's doing, I apologize. I can't control outside. So I'm still dividing the hair a little bit to give it a little bit more volume. Yeah, continue with this. Literally. I just think because I left a twist in my head for so long. Yeah, I think that might have been the reason why. Because usually I just leave the twists in my hair, or flat twists in my head, for like maybe 1, 2 or 3 days. 5 days I'm unraveling this twist. I'm gonna do the back. Oh, there you go. I've unraveled the back off camera. Simple life, innit? You see, the hair just looks soft, innit? Literally. And then I'm going my afro pick. I mean, what do you think? It's not like my usual twist out perfectional twist out, you know, when you can see definition. Another thing as well, I think because my hair, I said it was soft, but because it's a little bit thicker as well. Back in the days, I did some good twist out, as in last year, 2018, with some good products. But because my hair was different in 2018 to how it is now, it's just thicker. Literally, my hair keeps on changing, innit? It's good that it's thicker and stronger, but look at the style you're giving me. Literally. What to do, innit? But hey, I make it work, don't I? It even looks thicker. Look at it. I mean, I am using some, I've been using some DIY treatments in my hair, I must admit, which I will talk about in January onwards, because I only started to use them in November. I did this video in December. So yeah, maybe that's why my hair is thicker as well. That's the end result there. And I got these lovely hairbands from Khalees Africa. I'll put the details in the description box below, or I might make it the top comments and when you're commenting. Yeah, you know me and my African prints. Yeah, you know me, I like to wear my head wraps. Yeah, but I do like these as well. I got a couple of turbans that I will wear in another video. And this other hairband as well. You know me, I like colour on my head, you know, for real. I might wear black t-shirts in my videos, but I do like a pop of colour in my head. You see, that was a good twist out. Better definition, ain't it? Literally, look at it. Look at it. Such is life, innit? Literally, such is life. But thank you for watching. This is another one that come out. Go look at the definition in my hair. Looks full in everything. But thank you for watching. Come back again for another video from myself, Missybeelondon, and goodbye.